sometimes when you work a 9 to 5, you gotta go out and do something interesting.